everyone, look at this. We have a new box in. It's been a few weeks. I'm without my videographer, so I'm going to try to do an unboxing video this way. Hopefully it works out. We missed our new books, so I'm excited for a new box to be in. Alright, let's open this up and see what's in there. Take this out of the way. Oh, look at all of these CDs. What's this one? Ozzy Osbourne. There's a unique choice. We have Joshua Redman Quartet. Up next, we've got some Jacques Cuba Seguin. I've never heard of him. Should be interesting. Mandy Moore, a classic. Another quartet. That's a neat cover. Oh. Got some Justin Rutledge. What's up next? Elvis Costello. Feels like 4 months of music all at once coming in. Well, that's a nice cover. Still more CDs. Elizabeth's going to be excited. Some classical music. What's this one? Fly or Die. It's more fun cover art. Music to be murdered by. Sounds like we have a theme right now. The latest Star Wars finally in. Another PBS show. For the kids, we have Arctic Dogs. Let's see what else we have. Little Women, very good, if I do say so myself. I enjoyed that movie. And we have Cats, which I haven't seen, and I'm kind of scared to watch, but I will be watching. All right, let's see some talking books. We've got Heather Graham, Toward the Midnight Sun. We have some paperbacks, Lorraine Heath. Looks like some good historical romances are in. Ella Quinn. Got some westerns coming in. So many books in this order. Ooh, Bears Behaving Badly. I'm gonna admit that that was me ordering it. I couldn't resist that title. If anyone reads it, please let me know how it is. Karen Kingsbury. Antiques Raving. This looks interesting. Again, tell me if you read this book. Love in the Game. Another historical romance. Fast Carbs, Slow Carbs. Another nonfiction. Toward the Midnight Sun. Some kids' books. Underwater Mystery Club. Let's see what else we have. Shipwrecks. The Curse of the Cursed Temple of Curses. A very cursed book. Revenge of the Engine Nerds. I think this is a new YA or a junior fiction. Some more kids' books. Oh, a French kid book. Looks cute. This box is going on forever. Keeper of the Crystals. Always fun to have a unicorn book. The Gemini Mysteries. Jasper and Scruff, The Treasure Hunt. think that's a graphic novel. Nope, just a chapter book. Lola, a Ghost Story. That looks interesting. That one is a graphic novel. The Super Smart Octopus. These books are fun. Some chapter books coming up. Oh, picture book. Stop Bot. Looks like it won the Dr. Seuss Award. Cactus and Flower. Like those illustrations. I'm running out of space to put all my books. Inuit Games. Easy Everyday Keto. Hey, Student Pages, can you just make sure those don't fall? I won't put you on camera, I promise. Another Inuit book. Digosaurus Explorer, another Digosaurus book. I know we have some who enjoy that. Fast and Slow Instapot Cooking. I haven't bought an Instapot. I am tempted to. Let's see what's next. Ooh, Forensic Science for the kids section. I thought it'd be fun to update that. Boreal Forest. Lovely illustrations. Looks like we have a ton of kids books in here. I'm excited. We got another Jasper and Scruff. We've got Pete the Cat, always popular. An adult book, The Henna Artist. Actually, I saw that on some best of lists, so it should be pretty good. The Phantom Twin. I think that's probably a graphic novel. Let's see. Yeah. Another graphic novel. What do we got down in here? Overdose. Looks like a nonfiction, a very serious read. Non-obvious mega trends. I see another Pete the Cat. Almost done. Next. Oh, it looks like a book on Canada's future. We got a book called Stealth, The Secret Contest to Invent Invisible Aircraft. Oh, that sounds interesting. What do we have here? J.D. Robb in large print. We've got Arusha, I think, well, this is the third or fourth book. Rick Riordan helps those get printed out. The Griffins and the Castle Carey. Another Max Einstein book from James Patterson, part of his series for kids. Oh, Full Metal Alchemist, number 8 is in. And we have some more adult books still. A memoir of love, loss, and motherhood. What's this one? The Flat Chair. We have another Stuart Gibbs children's book. Kids are always good for a good read. And lastly, we've got a large print Tom Clancy. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And again, if you want any of these books, just contact the library and we can put them on hold for you. Look at my mess. Thanks, bye.